Hello,
Hi,
good evening, Mahesh.
very good evening.
How are you, Mahesh?
I am so
You're good?
not so good.
Not so good. Are you sick?
Yeah, I have headache.
You're having a headache.
Yeah,
Okay, so is it okay to speak for you today for the session? Are you all right?
yeah, I will manage.
Okay, okay. So tell me something about yourself, Mahesh. What do you do? Are you a student?
Yeah, I'm a student and I have done my graduation and now I'm preparing for a competitive examination.
Okay, okay. Can you be little louder? You can keep your headphones. Yeah.
Uh, I'm from
I
Madhya Pradesh.
You're from Madhya Pradesh.
Yeah, and I have done my
Okay.
graduation and now I'm preparing for competitive examination.
Okay, okay. You have done your graduation with subject?
BBA, Bachelor of Business Administration.
Oh, okay, okay, okay,
Yeah,
fine. Okay, so you're not planning to do your MBA?
no, not yet. I prepared for CAT exam, but it didn't work out. So now I'm preparing for banking examination.
Banking exams. You have
Yeah.
is maths your strength?
No, maths is my weak subject. I hate maths.
That's what CAT requires math.
Yeah.
Okay,
The-
okay, okay. That's nice. Even my brother, he has done his
okay.
BBA. Not done. He hasn't completed. Now he's in his third year.
Okay. So he's also preparing for a CAT
He's
examination.
preparing for CAT. Yeah, but for him also maths is tough.
Okay.
That's why I asked you if maths is strong for you or not.
And now
He's
that,
also a
that is the
little doubtful
I
about cracking it or not.
I guess that is the reason for me to not cracking the CAT.
Yeah, yeah, it is really tough, and you have to get high scores in order to get into a good university.
Yeah, yeah,
Even people who get 97, 98, they are not able to get good universities.
yeah.
So it's really difficult. So even he would probably go for a job or prepare for, as you said, competitive exams. Okay, fine. So it's been how long you are on Clappingo, Mahesh?
It's
Which
just
session is
been
this for you?
a week, I think.
It's been a week. Okay,
Yeah.
so how was the journey so far?
The journey has been very good till the date, and I hope
Okay,
it will remain the same.
okay, okay. So you have joined the Clappingo just for a conversation sake, or you have any weakness, weak areas while you're conversing?
Yeah, yeah. English speaking is my weakness, so I joined Clappingo to working on it.
So you would like to increase your level of fluency in
Yeah,
English.
yeah, exactly.
Okay, okay,
Yeah,
fine. Anything else you would like to ask before we move on to the topic, Mahesh?
yeah. So tell me something about yourself. What do you do and what's it?
About me?
Yeah.
Okay, I am a qualified assistant professor of English literature. I am from Kerala, but currently I am in Hyderabad.
Okay.
Okay, and I stay with my family, with my husband. I have a baby girl, and we stay with our in-laws. So we all
Okay.
are in a joint family.
Joint family. Nice.
Yeah. So currently, I am working with Clappingo because I thought I would take a small career break as I have a 1-year-old baby girl. So
Okay.
I thought I will be taking a break. So
So
that's why even
how long have you been working with Clappingo?
I am also new to Clappingo. It's just been maybe 2 weeks. That's it.
I think we both are newbie here.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We both are new. But
Mm,
my subject is English. I have
yeah,
done my post graduation in English literature from
yeah.
University of Madras.
Okay.
So, and I'm also an entrepreneur. I had my center for as a spoken English trainer. I have worked in my own center. Hello,
Uh,
you're
Hi.
able to hear?
Yeah, yeah. I can hear you.
Okay, okay. So let's move on to the session. Okay, the topic for
Oh,
today is very interesting. It's food and
yeah,
restaurants.
yeah,
So tell me, are you a foodie?
yeah. We can say I'm not that foodie, but still, to some extent, I'm a foodie.
Okay, fine. So you like home cooked food or you like outside food?
Uh, I would prefer outside food more because in this pandemic, we have
You're
been
tired of eating home food?
yeah, yeah. So if I talk about my current situation, so now I'm going to prefer outside food.
Okay, okay, okay. So you are at your home with your parents?
Yeah, with my parents.
Okay, okay. And you have any sibling?
Yeah, I have a little brother.
You have a little brother. What is
Yeah,
he doing? Which standard he is in?
he is a student and he's in 11th standard.
He is a student in
11th standard.
11th standard. Okay, okay, fine, fine. So tell me a dish which you love, which is made by your mother.
It's a dal bati.
Dal
Have you?
bati.
Yeah, have you ever heard of?
Yes, yes, yes. I've heard. I've heard. So is it Madhya Pradesh? Is it your famous dish, dal
Yeah,
bati?
yeah. Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan's famous dish dal bati.
Okay, okay. So you love that one which is cooked by your mother.
Yeah, absolutely love.
Wonderful, wonderful.
So, have
Okay.
you ever tasted dal bati or not yet?
Dal bati, as such, I have heard the name, but I have not tasted. It's made of various dals.
No, it's only one dal
Only
fry.
one. Only tur. What dal is yours? Tur dal. What is the
Both, but with bati, I think it's more urad dal.
bati means what? Is it the gravy?
No, it's not gravy. It's a like chapati made of flour, round,
Flour.
round kind of. Yeah, made of flour.
Which flour do you use? Wheat
Oh,
flour or
wheat
you
flour.
use the wheat flour?
But we can use corn flour too.
Okay. Is it? Does it look like kachori?
No, not kachori. Kachori because in kachori inside
We have the
masala. But
stuffing.
yeah, but bati is all is the same kind of thing.
Okay, I'll definitely look. I'll just Google it
Yeah, yeah. You can Google it. Yeah,
because I am a foodie. I love food
mm,
and I love
yeah,
tasting other cultural dishes. It's really nice.
yeah.
Okay, fine. Now tell me, what are the other famous dishes of Madhya Pradesh when it comes to desserts? Desserts means right? Sweets.
Yeah, so I think if we talk about breakfast, so samosa is very famous in our MP. Poha
Okay,
samosa,
okay.
poha samosa,
What kind of samosa?
samosa made of flour, maida, which is
Yeah, yeah.
maida,
Okay. The
and
stuffing
in
is the it is made
aloo.
with potato, aloo. Okay.
Yeah, that's the samosa.
Okay. Samosa is
So
there, and then
poha,
poha. Okay, I know poha.
wheat and rice.
I know, I know. Yeah.
Yeah,
Puffed rice,
puffed rice.
isn't it? It's
No,
puffed
no, it's
rice.
not. It's not puffed. It's beaten rice.
Beaten rice.
Yeah,
Okay,
puffed
okay.
rice is different thing.
Puffed rice is different. What is it called as puffed rice?
In our region, if we talk about, it's
Oh
called
yes,
parmal.
murmura.
Yeah, you can say murmura. White
Right.
kind of rice,
White, yes, puffed ones.
just like puffed rice. Yeah,
I know. That's what. I
that one.
got confused. You are right.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
so poha. Okay.
yeah.
Then any sweet like gulab jamun or
Yeah, gulab jamun. Gulab jamun is
rabdi,
very famous.
rabdi.
Not so famous here, but gulab jamun is more famous
Quite
than rabdi.
famous. Okay, okay. You like street foods?
Yeah, like street food like chaat, pani patase, and
Pani batasa.
yeah,
Here we say pani puri.
yeah, same. We can say
Same.
pani puri. Yeah,
Batasa is the puri, right? The
yeah, puri. Yeah,
round ones.
round
But
one,
okay,
filled
okay,
with salty water, and inside the onion and potato
I know,
and all
I
the
know,
things.
I know. Even I am a lover of pani puri.
Most
Who
of the
doesn't
girls
love?
love pani patasha.
Everybody loves, even if you go to North India or South India, wherever you go, pani puri lovers you can find everywhere.
Yeah, we can find.
So I guess pani puri people make a lot of money.
I can
But
say
now because of pandemic, definitely everything is up and down.
everything up
We
and
cannot
down.
help it. Maybe the situation will be better soon. Let's hope for the best.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Now tell
So
me
what is
about
the
some. Yeah,
favorite dish of your Kerala?
Kerala. There are
Mm.
so many dishes. Okay, and the best part is that we use a lot of coconut.
Coconut, yeah.
We use coconut in almost all the dishes,
Because
which
coconuts are in a
coconuts are plenty.
plenty of in
Yes,
Kerala.
yes. Yes, we have a lot of coconut trees in Kerala, and we use in many dishes. We almost all the dishes we'll have coconut for sure, which will
Yeah,
not be liked by North Indians much. That taste of coconut, because North we don't use much of coconut in
yeah, we do.
dishes. So if you ask me, I like paisam, I like appam, and yeah, appam is quite famous. Then you have puttu.
I will
Puttu.
never heard of it.
You must not have heard. That is also quite famous. So if you say appam, going to Kerala, if you would like to have a breakfast in any of the hotels, you can ask for appam. That is quite
Okay.
famous. Yeah. So next time when you ever visited Kerala?
No, not yet. I have not been there.
You have not been to
But
Kerala.
yes, what is yeah. So what are the famous places of Kerala where we can go for traveling?
Okay, so you have plenty of options to visit in Kerala, Mahesh, because Kerala is a beautiful place.
Yeah,
And especially when it comes to tourism, you're open to many options.
it's God's own country. Right?
Yeah, God's
Yeah.
own country. So you have many beautiful places. You have waterfalls, you have forest areas like Wayanad,
Yeah.
Munnar. So if you want the feel of going to Shimla or Manali, you can go to Munnar.
Yeah.
Munnar is a good place. Okay, and then there is museums and archaeological sites in Trivandrum. Kochi is again a high-tech city where you can find a lot of malls, big malls,
Yeah.
shopping malls, and then many places are there in Kerala to
Okay.
visit. All beautiful places. So anytime you can go and see.
So what is
Okay,
the place in Kerala you like the most? Where should I go first?
I like my place. I said you right, Munnar.
Munnar.
Yeah, that's a beautiful place.
So what is the thing for which Munnar is famous?
Munnar is famous for tea leaves.
Tea leaves.
Just like Assam is famous for tea, right?
Yeah.
Munnar
Yeah,
is
yeah.
also famous for tea.
Okay. So do you
Yeah,
have any tea farm?
we don't have. I
Okay.
don't stay in Munnar. My place is Idiki,
Idiki.
which is from Idiki. If we have to go to Munnar, it's nearly 250 kilometers.
Okay.
But Munnar is the place which I love and I recommend.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, because it's really beautiful. It just gives you the feel of going to Shimla, Manali, Himachal
Okay.
Pradesh, those places. Very
Yeah.
cool, calm, surrounded with lush greenery. So it will be wonderful.
Yes.
Okay.
So I hope soon I will get there.
Yeah, once you get a job, once you settle down, you can visit
Yeah.
anywhere you want, make some money, and just travel.
Because I love
You like
traveling a
you
lot.
like traveling, Mahesh?
Yeah, I love traveling.
So have you been to any other place other than Madhya Pradesh? Have you
Yeah, I
visited
have been
any other state?
recently. I have been to Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Manali.
Okay, Shimla, Manali, you visited. Recently, in the sense, during this pandemic, were you
No,
able to
between
go?
between between those both waves.
Ah, okay, 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 okay.
February
Fine. So,
2021,
okay, okay. So just before the
second
hike.
wave.
Okay, okay, fine. So, in your place, tell me some good restaurants.
In my place, there are some famous restaurant like Rajasthani Dhaba.
Okay, dhaba. Dhaba
Yeah,
is again
dhabas,
a eatery place, famous
city place
eatery place
alongside the road, mostly alongside the
outside
road.
the road. Okay,
Yeah,
outskirts of the city or in the city?
you can find
Where is
in
it?
them
You find it every
most.
in the city also?
Yeah, but most of them are outside the city, alongside
Oh,
the highway. Alongside.
highway. Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah,
Fine, fine.
yeah,
That's nice. That's nice. Dhabas are also quite famous.
yeah,
Okay, fine. So you like junk food
yeah. I
or
like junk food.
okay, so you can tell me a dish which you love in the category of junk food. Pizza,
I would say
burger, rolls, what do you like the most?
French fries is my favorite.
French fries.
Yeah,
Okay, okay. You are a vegetarian or a
yeah,
non-vegetarian? Hello?
yeah,
Yeah, Dhruv.
uh,
I guess the video may end at any time. Hello?
yeah,
You're able to hear me,
yeah,
right?
yeah. I can hear you.
Okay, so it was
Yeah,
nice
go ahead.
talking to you, Mahesh. Okay, so keep practicing. You are
Same here.
speaking good. Hardly you're making mistakes. So continue your conversation. Okay, so keep practicing and good night. Have